Imagine regaining control over your bathroom trips, feeling confident in your sexual health, and ditching those frustrating symptoms of a weak stream or constant urgency. If you're tired of living with prostate issues, or want to prevent them before they start, you're in the right place. Hi everyone, welcome back to Nature's Healing Path, and today we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important for every man out there, your prostate health. I recently tuned into a powerful podcast featuring Dr. Rachael Ross, a renowned functional medicine physician, who shared some eye-opening insights about the $2 secret to prostate health and rock-hard erections and how these issues impact on your overall quality of life. She watching her own father, as well as countless patients, struggle with prostate issues. Dr. Rachael Ross emphasized just how crucial it is to understand this small but mighty gland. If you're over 40, there's a good chance you've already noticed changes in your urinary or sexual health, and often, your prostate is the silent culprit. Today, we're going to explore why your prostate is so important and, more importantly, how you can start strengthening it from the comfort of your home with a simple, yet highly effective, technique. Whether you're dealing with prostate issues right now or are keen on preventive care, this video is packed with valuable information that can make a real difference in your life. So, let's get started and uncover what your prostate is trying to tell you. Many men experience erectile difficulties after turning 40, and often, the prostate is the contributing factor. That's why, in our discussion today, we will look at this small but mighty gland and also explore an effective, very simple way that you can strengthen your prostate and improve your prostate health right at home, starting today. Now, whether you're currently experiencing prostate issues or you're just interested in preventative care, understanding the role of the prostate and how to maintain its health is essential. So let's get started by taking a closer look at why the prostate is so important and what symptoms you might experience if it's not in its best condition. The tract system and the sex system, which explains why it's so absolutely important. Above it, you have the bladder, below it, you have your penis and your erection. What we have to keep in mind is that as that prostate grows and starts to take up size, it actually starts to impair the nerve signaling and the blood flow getting to where it needs to go. When that prostate starts to enlarge, it actually starts to clamp off their pee tube or the urethra. Urine starts in the bladder and is supposed to just shoot right on out through the urethra, but because the prostate starts to enlarge, it puts pressure on that straw-like structure, and urine starts to back up into the bladder. That's why you're rushing to the bathroom so often, because the urine in the bladder stays there longer than it should, trapped. Now, let's talk about BPH or benign prostatic hypertrophy. This is a common condition where the prostate enlarges as you age. It's another diagram. On the left, you'll see a normal-sized prostate with a urethra that's wide open. We'll also discuss a proactive, holistic method to support your prostate health called an external prostate massage. Now, before you turn away, I want you to know you don't have to stick anything anywhere. In fact, you can do this fully clothed. It's not that type of massage. This technique has been recognized for its benefits in numerous studies, and I want to show you today how you can safely incorporate the practice using a common household item, a tennis ball. Yes, prostate massage has been used historically to improve various prostate-related issues long before we came up with medications. Actually, doctors used to perform prostate massages in the office when men came in with erectile dysfunction or prostatitis. Prostate massage was their first line of treatment. In practice, it dates back to when doctors were focused on more natural therapies instead of just giving you a bunch of medications. In fact, a landmark study published in the Journal of Urology and Nephrology emphasized that regular prostate massage helped improve prostate symptoms significantly. So, I can't imagine why we don't talk about it more. Using a tennis ball for a prostate massage is a hack that Dr. got from her good friend Master Lauren Johnson. The tennis ball is accessible because you can get them anywhere. The most effective way to engage your pelvic floor muscles and give the prostate the massage it needs, to remove some of the toxins that have built up over time and move some of that stagnant fluid, is to take the ball and find a firm, flat seat, like a hard chair where you can sit comfortably. Next, we want you to take the ball and find the area that's halfway between where your testicles end and your anus begins. Some people call it the taint. Position the tennis ball right there on the seat, and carefully lower yourself down on it. Once you're on it, hold onto the armrests and carefully roll back and forth. You'll feel the ball moving between where your testicles end and your anus begins. Roll back and forth gently. What's happening is you're rolling on the external part of your prostate. Now, we want you to adjust the pressure, put a little more weight on it, and gently shift your body forwards and backwards. This should be comfortable, not painful. You're doing a deep tissue massage, so don't just flop down on it and roll back and forth because you might end up with a little bit of discomfort. Just gently go back and forth. The goal here is not pain but to maintain steady pressure and impact the pelvic floor muscles and the prostate simultaneously. Now, look at this testimonial from a gentleman who did just that. He followed my simple advice about prostate massage and the tennis ball. The prostate massage can evolve into a more intricate routine. You can use a prostate massager for the external part, or you can use one to go internally, which is the closest you can get to your prostate. But if you start with a tennis ball, begin with about 5 minutes per session, once a day, 3 or 4 times a week. Of course, ask your doctor before you start, and get used to the sensation. Master Lauren Johnson doesn't leave home without his tennis ball, he keeps one in his desk. The idea is that if you always have a tennis ball close by, you can incorporate this prostate massage into your routine, making it part of your maintenance process. Regularly using this tennis ball can potentially help with symptoms of enlargement, improve blood flow to the area, and help you improve both urinary and sexual health. Pick up a tennis ball today, and let me know in the comments how things are going. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it to your loved one. Subscribe the channel and click the bell to watch our valuable next content.